everyone, welcome back in for another video. This is Simple How-Tos by J&A, and today we're going to be going over how to fix a squeaky door. So I have this garage door here, and it squeaks. It's not too bad on the way open, but when you close it, it's really loud when you close it. So today we're going to be fixing that. And so how we're going to do that is I've got some WD-40 here. You can find it at Walmart, Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, auto parts stores. You can find it pretty much anywhere. And today I'm going to be using the silicone variety. It's a little bit higher quality version. So that's what we're going to be using today. I've also got a microfiber available as well. So to start out, I think it's coming from the hinges. So I'm just going to shake it up a good bit, and then I'm just going to spray some on the hinges here. And wipe it in. So I make sure I don't get it on the walls and on the door too much. And I'm going to do this for all three hinges. And some doors have 4 hinges. If you've got 4, I would do it for all 4, but this one only has 3. So I'm just going to do it for all 3 hinges. All right. And as you can hear, the squeak is completely gone. So again, if you've got some squeaks, try out this WD-40 silicone, and this should be able to get rid of that squeak for you. So thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Hope you have a great day.